You ever had a good, juicy, flavorful stewed chicken with white rice and plantain or some Bami and Nasi? Well, this is the one, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Feffie. Today we're gonna make our well-known stewed chicken. You're gonna need some oil, about 4 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add some galangal, and we call it laos. We're gonna add some pieces of it. I put about 5-6 pieces. The more the better, not too much though. Then we're gonna add some chopped ginger. I just cut a piece and chop it up. You can even grate it up or blend it, and then you're gonna leave it fry for about a minute. After that, you're gonna add about 1 onion and 4 garlic cloves. You can chop it up so you don't see it in your food. And then 4 bay leaves. Leave that fry. Sorry about the video, guys. It's a little bit chaotic. Add some salt to liking. I like to add some salt. Cook my chicken and then taste it again to see if I need to add more. You don't want to add too much at once. Add some black pepper and some sugar. Yes, I know some people don't put sugar in their food, but you can do as you please. I just really like it with a bit of sugar. Sounds very unhealthy, I know, but it's so good. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce. This is the salty soy sauce. You can also add the sweet soy sauce, but then be careful with the sugar. When I add the salty soy sauce and some sugar, I feel like the taste is balanced. I used Pearl River mushroom soy sauce. It's nice and dark, gives your chicken a nice color, and it's flavorful. Then we're gonna add the chicken. I bought about 4 chicken legs and I cut it up into 4 pieces. The smaller the pieces, the better, because I feel like it absorbs the flavor way more than if you leave it in big pieces. And then we're gonna throw some tomato in there. Stir it up. And then we're gonna leave it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Looks beautiful, right? Add your celery. We call it suprunte. They're nice and small and fine, and it smells amazing. This is how it looks. So then you scoop your rice, add your veggies. Don't forget the veggies, guys. And look at that sauce. You can't have enough of this sauce, especially when you're eating Bami and Nasi and a plantain. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please take a look at my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.